Hello and welcome back to the another video of Python Outlook automation. In this Python series of Outlook, we have already seen 4 to 5 different videos. Now we are going to see 5 more videos where we will see how to write beautiful emails. So whenever you are using the emails to send the update to your organization, let's say if you are sending advertisement emails, let's say you are sending thank you email, appreciation emails, there are many purpose where you require to create a beautiful content in your mail body. Using Python we will see how to apply, how to insert image in a email, and then we will use Python code to add text inside the mail body, and then we will apply the HTML style also in that mail body. So in the first video, we will only see how to insert image in the mail body and how to write text on the top of that image and how to apply HTML style to make your email body more attractive. So right now you can see on your screen there is an email which I have just created, and this is going to be the output of today's exercise. So we will have a header here and then we will add some paragraph here. And then in the next video we will see how to align everything beautifully. But yes, let's understand this basic first of all. How to add image in the mail background and how to write text on top of that. If you know good HTML, you can just do the formatting on top of it. So here is the code on your screen. Entire code I have written. It is not very long code, so I can show you on the screen and then I can explain you one by one. And you can apply this concept on Outlook Exchange or any other Microsoft email platform. Because the main game changer here is not the code but the HTML body. So the first thing that we are doing, we are reading the HTML body, and then we are applying that HTML body here. So if you can see, I am reading a file. This is the file name here. I will show you the file in some moments. And after reading the file, I am storing the result into one variable, and that variable I am assigning to the mail HTML body. All right. And then I am sending the email to myself. You can use your sender email IDs here. And to get more details about these all logics, you have to see few more videos on my YouTube channel. You can have the link on the top right now and in the description. And when we are sending the email with a background image, what we have to do? Most importantly, we have to add the image in the email itself so that when this email is getting open on user system, the image is available, because right now the image is on our system, and when the email will reach on user system, that image will be lost. So we have to add that image in the attachment. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's go and see the HTML file. So here you have this HTML file. I will share the link of the file in the description, but before that I will explain. Here I have added the style that I have added in my text, and then we are using table inside table. Remember this point, table inside table. You can see table 1 is here, and inside that this is the MSO code. So this is the most important thing when you are applying a style to Outlook email body or on any Microsoft platform. This MSO objects play a role. So you have to understand about this MSO object, and then rest everything is HTML. All right. So if you can see, I after MSO object is closed, I have written the div here. If you know a little bit about the HTML, you will understand this code very easily. And then we are ending the MSO object here, and then we are ending the top table here. So there are two different tables, as I said. You don't have to think more about this. I will just share this file. You can just copy paste the code, change the image path in the Python code, and here. Here you don't have to give the complete path because the image will be available in the email itself as attachment. So you don't have to give the complete path here. Hope you got my point. I am using image two times, here and here. Okay, so now let's run this code and see what kind of result we are getting. I will delete the existing email that has just come. I will run the code once again. So code is executed without any error. Let's open the email and see it. All right. Yes. So we have this paragraph background image together. I hope this video was useful for you. Please hit the like button and share your feedback in comments. Please subscribe to the channel for more and more videos. I will see you in the next video where we will see how to add bullet lines and more style in this HTML. Thank you very much for your time.